Hello friends, welcome back to Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. In today's video, we will study about some topics which look small but they always come in your exams like C-value paradox and about the significance of repeat. So let's start with what is C-value paradox. It basically means the amount of DNA per haploid cell that is usually expressed in picograms. The C-value paradox is not related to the evolutionary complexity. About this, you just have to study the definition. Now, the next thing which comes is what is genome and what is the genome packaging in prokaryotes and eukaryotes, basically the difference between them. So first let us look into what is genome. That is one full complement of the genetic material in the organism. For a haploid organism, the entire DNA content is present, but for the diploid, only the half. Now we will look into the genome packaging for prokaryotes as well as eukaryotes. It can come as a 6-marker question in which you are supposed to compare and write. It can also come in a 10-marker question along with a question including what is C-value paradox. I have written many points about the prokaryotes as well as the eukaryotes. You can just pick up 4 to 5 points about each and mention it in your answer. All the points which I have written are very important, so do go through them. And guys, please hit the like, share and subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell icon to miss any update. Next important topic is what are repeats, what are the types of repeats and what is their significance. So let's have a look at repeats, their significance and the type of them. So basically repeated sequence are patterns of nucleic acid that occur in multiple copies throughout the genome. They have various functions like they perform the genetic variation, their regulation, they have structural role that is helps in shaping of 3D folding of genome and also on genome folding maps. Now there are 3 types, that is terminal repeats, tandem repeats and intersped repeats. Now we'll look into each. So basically terminal repeats are long terminal repeats which have identical sequences. They are basically found on the either ends of retrotranspones. As you guys can see, I have underlined the important words. Guys, you also make a habit to underline every important word. This helps you in getting more marks. Next is tandem repeats, that is the copies which lie adjacent to each other, either directly or in an inverted way. The satellite DNA is basically the typically found in centromeres. Mini satellite, they repeat units from about 10 to 60 base pairs and are found in many places of the genome. Now the last one is intersped repeats, that is found in eukaryote genomes and it is basically of 2 types, that is SINE, that is short interspread elements, and line, that is long interspread elements. In intersped repeats, these 2 types, that is the sign and the lines, are very important, so do go through them. And guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and do press the bell icon so that you do not miss any updates. For any other suggestion or query, then do comment and let me know. Thank you.